Changing the alternator AC belt in 2009 Pontiac Vibe. There's a little bolt under here, 12 millimeter. This is 12 millimeter. That's 12 millimeter. There's another one down here at the bottom of the alternator. It's 14 millimeter. I just loosen these up a bit so that this can move around a little bit, allow the alternator to swing in. But yeah, I've never seen a belt do this before. Split right in half. So anyway, take that off. I got the new belt in the seat. Just loosen that a couple turns, the one under here a couple turns, turn that in a bit, loosen the 14 a little bit, turn it in. Belt goes down around the bottom crank pulley over to the, what is that, is that the AC pump? Then up around this idler pulley, and then around the alternator. And anyway, it's easy to fix. I changed the alternator on it here a little while back and saw the belt was getting bad, but it was nothing like this. And anyway, it takes about 10 minutes to do it. Once you put the belt back on, just snug this stuff back out and make sure that it's tight and everything, and then tighten everything up, and you're good for probably another 2 or 3 years or more.